another video. Today I'm gonna be making some grape juice, but I am going to use some apples, some green apples with it, and lemon. And guys, I can tell you, this grape juice will give you your vitamin C, help with bones, give you healthy bones, has iron and potassium, and tissue reconstruction, improve heart function, and it helps to prevent colon and prostate cancer and much more. So guys, I'm gonna wash my fruits and I'm gonna come back to you guys and keep it rolling. So guys, I washed everything else. So this is what we need to wash. So I'm just going to take the plastic off. And then I would love to grow some of these cucumbers. I'm going to try and grow them because I have the others around the back, but I need to invest in growing and planting some of these cucumbers. So guys, I'm going to wash this and get back to you. So guys, I am back. I've washed my cucumber, but guess what? I need the seeds out of this, guys. I need to plant the seeds. So let's look if any seeds. Yes, we have seeds in there. So guys, I just need to scoop some of the seeds out and try and dry them and use them to plant. Let's see if we can get some of this type of cucumber. Just some seed, nice seeds. I'm gonna take them out, guys. You know, I could run them through like this, but I need the seeds to plant. Let's see. And I will plant them and then refer back to this video. So I'm gonna just put them into a dish. Yep. So this is the dish I'm gonna put them into. That's about it. I'm not gonna take any of the seeds out of the other two pieces. I'm just gonna try and see if I can plant these, see what will happen. So guys, be on the lookout for these in my garden on the next channel. So I'm gonna slice these in the middle because these cucumber look a bit fat, so I want them to go in the juicer easy. So guys, I'm gonna take these grapes out and we're gonna just take them off like this. So I don't need any gloves. Right now, I'm just doing it without. Because it's just picking off grapes. So let me take it up a little bit more so you can see. And as for my cucumber ends, I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to use them also. So we're gonna pick our grapes quickly. And we're gonna use some apples. And this drink is rich in vitamin C, collagen. I will list everything in the description box, guys. And these grapes are very sweet. Grapes always also help to reduce sign of aging, guys. I'm a little bit tired because of the long flight to Jamaica and back, so I could not make any drink. I only did one drink when I was leaving, so now I'm back to give you all a lovely drink. So now I'm gonna go ahead and peel a lemon. And guys, you don't throw away the skin. You can use it and make a lovely cup of tea, which I'll do afterwards. So guys, let's get our juicer out. I don't think I'm gonna, should I core the apples? I'm not even certain if I should core the apples, because I can put the apples in as is. So this time I'm not gonna bother to use the apple corer, guys. Okay, so let's get into the juicing. So guys, we are going to turn on our juicer. I'll go from the side and turn my juicer on. So guys, let's keep rolling. I'm gonna be adding some grapes in my Coving River 830. So guys, here are some benefits of grape. Grape have calories 104, carbs 27 grams, protein 1 gram, fat 0.2 grams, fiber 1.4 grams. So it is good to incorporate grapes in your diet. Grapes also have 21% of the daily value of copper. It also have vitamin B1, 9% of the DV. It also have vitamin B2, 8% of the daily value. That's a DV. So, and it has 8% of vitamin B6 and potassium, 6% of the daily value, and vitamin C, 5% of the daily value. So grapes are very good. So guys, I'm putting some grapes in my food water guys, and look at some lovely juice. Look at the juice, how it squeezes and crushes. What a powerful machine, guys. Look at that. Guys, we have finished the first batch of drinks, so now we are going to let it out. So here you go, guys. That is it. The grape, the apple, the cucumber with the lime. Just clean your system, guys. So we are going to start doing the second batch. So I'll show you what I have left. In the bowl we have cucumber and grapes, and in the next bowl we have apples. So we are going to go along and start with the second batch of juice. And guys, we are coming down to the nitty gritty. Grapes also have manganese, 5% of our daily value, vitamin E, 2% of our daily value. So guys, the potassium is necessary for maintaining healthy blood pressure level. Potassium can help bring down high blood pressure and lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Grapes are high in potassium and mineral content that balance the fluid in our bodies. And guys, research has shown that grape is loaded with antioxidants and that prevent or delay the growth of cancer cells. So this drink is an all-in-one drink. So guys, let's take a look at our drink. It's coming on nicely. The mixing bowl is almost full, and it's coming on to close time for us to share out our drink. So guys, we are gonna let out our second batch of juice. Here you go, guys. Look at that. And I think I'm gonna just put this through. Just one apple, and it gives me a full or near full jug. So we're gonna turn on our juicer again and make more juice. So you're gonna watch the juice come out. I won't bother to close it. That is it. So guys, I need a slice of lemon or two, just to decorate. I am going to just slice this small apple. Reason I slice it this way, if you can see, like it has some little stars there. Okay, so let's just put a few slices of apple and the grape, and we are going to pour our drink out. I'm gonna use a funnel. Wow, I am so afraid of. Let me dry my hands properly. Okay, good. So let's pour our drink. Can everybody see? Ooh. We have a little bit of spillage, but that's okay. No one is perfect. guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit that bell, guys. Bye.